here it is. It's quite beautiful, and I like the extra taste of the cucumber. I think it really adds something. You can have this with vegetables, but I've kind of gone ahead and made another video of eggplant nachos earlier today, which I'll link below. So I think I'm gonna have them together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want more free recipes, information about the diet, links to experts and to my own books, and my personal blog where I also talk about my own detox. Go to rawmancheese.org and I'll see you there.